Kia ora team, my name's Ben. Now let's draw the anatomy of the heart. So if we start with the body, so the blood is going to come from the body and we've got to get it to the heart. So the first room that we enter as we enter the heart is the atrium. So here's our atrium. An atrium is like the first room you enter in a flash hotel. So the atrium is the first room we enter when we enter the heart. Then we've got to go through a door. So that's a valve before we enter a V-shaped chamber, which is a ventricle. So the first valve we go through, we remember we try before we buy. So this is going to be our tricuspid valve. Right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle. So whenever we leave a room, we have to go through a door. Doors are valves. So our next valve is our blood has come from the body, so now it's got to go and be pumped to our lungs. So anything to do with lungs is pulmonary. So this valve is going to be our pulmonary valve. Awesome. So blood vessels going away from the heart are arteries. So we think A for arteries, A for away from the heart. So we're going away from the heart towards the lungs. So, pulmonary artery. Okay, but before we get there, just like we've got two lungs, so we have to have two pulmonary arteries, we've got this thing that we have to branch off. So if you think of branches, think of trees. Trees have trunks. So this is our pulmonary trunk, which then branches off to our pulmonary arteries. Awesome. Okay. Blood goes to the lungs, so this is our pulmonary circulation, and there we're going to drop off our carbon dioxide and we're going to pick up oxygen. Now we've got to get the blood back to the heart to get pumped to the body. How are we going to do this? So if arteries take blood away from the heart, then veins bring blood towards the heart. So we're going to have pulmonary veins bringing blood back into the heart. Okay, what's the first room in the heart? Atrium. So now we're on the left side. So we've got our left atrium. When the left atrium squeezes, we have to leave the atrium to go into the next room. So we have to go through a door. That door is a valve. So remember, we try before we buy. So tricuspid valve on the left side of the heart is going to be our bicuspid valve, also known as the mitral valve. Awesome. Then we go into our next V-shaped chamber, so the left ventricle. Then again, we've got to leave a room, so we go through a door, and this one, on the left side of the heart, we've come from the lungs, we've picked up oxygen, and we want to drop it off back to the body. So when we go away from the heart, the main artery away from the heart is the aorta. So here we go. Here's our aorta, which has a nice arch. So this valve would be our aortic valve. Then we go to our aorta. So we're going away from the heart, full of oxygenated blood, and it's going to bring that blood back to the body. So the body, the brain, the organs, it's going to use all that good oxygen and create the waste product carbon dioxide. Now we have to get that blood back to the heart to take it to the lungs to get rid of the carbon dioxide. So arteries take blood away from the heart, veins bring blood toward. So if blood's going towards the heart, it's going to be big veins. We got two of them. So all the stuff above the heart is going to return in via the superior vena cava, and all the stuff from below the heart is going to come in via the inferior vena cava. And now we're back into the right atrium. Gorgeous. All right, that is the anatomy of the heart and the circulation of blood running through it. Our systemic circulation, to do with the body, and our pulmonary circulation to do with the lungs. And if you think about which side of the heart is bigger, on our right side, we have to pump from our heart to our pulmonary circulation, so just to the lungs, so it doesn't have to be that strong. Whereas on our left side, we've come from the lungs and we're going all the way through the body. So the left side of my heart has to go all the way to my brain, the top of my head, tips of my fingers, right down to the tips of my toes. So the left side is going to be bigger and stronger. All right, team. Happy studying.